Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to The Animus, and today we're going to do a little bit of small unboxing. I know that we are working currently on a Martial Emperor, which will be a video that's going to be released this week, as well as the big announcement. We finally got to 1,000 subscribers, so I would like to thank all my subscribers and current subscribers, maybe future subscribers if you're watching this video, for all your support. And I do want to mention that that I do have something very special planned, which I will be announcing at the end of this week for you guys. It's going to be a giveaway to commemorate this milestone for getting the 1,000 subscribers. So keep a lookout for that. Today we are going to do a small unboxing, and today we are going to be unboxing the Gunbarrel Strike Gundam from Gundam Breaker 4. Now, I had a few questions in regards to this kit on my Instagram in regards to how to acquire this kit. So the only way that you were able to acquire this kit is if you had pre-ordered the collector's edition for the Gundam Breaker 4, right? Which is, it didn't matter which, I don't believe it mattered which one you pre-ordered, as long as it was a collector's edition. I don't know if the region might have had something to do with it. However, I did notice that some people were getting nice boxes with, like, you know, the RX-78 and all that. I didn't get that. I actually got this kit like in a cardboard box with whatever else was included. I did send an email to Bandai and said, hey, hey, where's my nice box with my mouse pad and stuff? And then they explained that depending on what region you ordered your collectors from, you would either get a collector box or just the game, the tin box, and then the model kit. Some other areas as well were restricted to only getting mouse pads. So I'm sorry for you guys that weren't able to get this model kit in your collector's edition. That really sucks. But, you know, I guess it is what it is. So when you pre-ordered the collector's edition, you would also get the tin box with the reversible art. Now, I want to say that this is a very nice collector's item, I guess, where you could just store your game disc or whatever. Usually, I don't really care much for these. I wish it would have been something else. But if you have it like on your Switch or whatever, and you had the disc there, then it would have been fine. The other thing that it included was the actual game. In my case, I got the PS5 version. And inside the gaming case, then there was a poster. I don't really want to talk about the poster because the poster was like really folded in there. And the only way to straighten it out is probably to like iron it and maybe frame it or whatever. But aside from that, it's not that big a deal. Now, for this entry grade, I know that I was very looking forward to building it, and the thing that called out to me the most was the box art. So, as you can see the all the art for the actual Gunbarrel Strike Gundam all over the box itself. It is supposed to be an entry grade, so you should have like a recolored Strike Gundam and then all the extra accessories. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. So directly when you open the box, you are received with metal injection parts, as well as some purple injection parts and some hard clear parts. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with how hard clear parts are, it means that they are a little bit, you know, semi-gloss or kind of getting close to like matte color instead of just being solid clears, or I mean, you know, super glossy clears to see completely through. So this is called like a solid clear, where you can still see through, but it's a little faded out. For the color itself, for the parts, you can also see that they did like a metal injection blue for all the weapons and the inner frame as well. You do have that purple, which seems to be like a normal purple because it's not even metallic. And you know, it is what it is. It's just a commemorative kit. I do like this blue in this metal injection. It makes it look a little bit unique, I guess, as well as the solid clear parts. Now, I would have loved if maybe Bandai would have done water slide decals with these designs, because these are just decals for this actual model. Next in the box, we do have runners in white. Now, this is not like a normal white. It's like a darker shade of white. I would more compare it to like a white 03 or white 04 in regards to like painting. But this is a nice shade of white / gray for this kit. Definitely seems like it's going to be nice looking. I like the fact that they try to reduce the metallic looking parts on the kit and just made it to where it just contrasts very well. So on next, we do have more color separation, more purple for the actual weapon system. And for the weapon system, it also has a metallic injection parts for the actual weapons themselves. That's actually pretty nice when you kind of think about it, because they actually went ahead and color separated instead of just giving you like the standard gray for the weapons itself. One thing that I do not see in here is going to be any color correcting stickers. However, there seems to be a lot of areas that you could actually color separate if you choose to. It doesn't seem like it's necessary, but it does have it there. So for those of you that like painting, this is definitely a nice canvas. You got nice details and everything on the kit. So here you go. So here now you can see that you have the manual itself for the entry grade, and it's just a standard Bandai manual. It shows you how to build the model kit itself. You have your first few pages, it'll be colored, and then after that it's going to be black and white. I do like that it has a little bit of color separation compared to a standard entry grade. However, I don't know, I still feel like Bandai could have done a lot more with this. Overall, I like the fact that they included the sticker sheet with the graphics for the actual model itself. I feel like Bandai could have done a little bit more with this model kit in regards to like maybe a little bit more color separation or details or anything like that. But overall, this kit looks really, really nice. It does not include a base, so if you're trying to build this kit, then you might have to get a base for it. However, if you're kind of like building it and standing it on its own, like every other seed kit, it looks like it's going to be back heavy, so just take that with a grain of salt. Make sure you get a base for it. And that is it for this unboxing. I just wanted to make sure I did a quick unboxing so you guys can see what it brings inside. We will be building this on the channel, so I will be doing a full review soon. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.